This here is the JR Fire Tool BigFoot 40. It has a 12-inch wide blade by 8 inches tall. It has 3 sides sharp. The side corners help you dig out trenches, help create that check mark. I like to run the BigFoot 40 in between my chainsaw and Super P's. It's really good at taking out brush, smaller vegetation, and then whatever it can't handle, I'll send the Super P 40s in. When I run out of stobs, I can start cutting line and move a lot of material with the BigFoot. It's a great chopping tool. Comes in a 40-inch handle or a 48-inch. I prefer the 40-inch. Has a little more power. When I have a lot of debris that I need to move, I can come through here, knock it out. That way my trail builders in the back don't have as much material they have to move. Thank you for your interest in JR Fire Tools. Have a safe fire season.